Who's more likely to start an OnlyFans?
Pa, Chris, this is for you, Mino Ahasi Ekoy, okay?
Who's more likely to help a friend bury a body?
Pero what thing? They don't go up.
Hey guys, what's up? Pasan sa kaba, Team OnBrand, Ludina, Julim, Angel. Today we're gonna play a game called Who's More Likely To. Nós actually made een video die Yuitera,
Yes.
formerly Mutitera. Hey. So pasan sa ako yung game that go, it's pretty easily. Mita bay lesa un question, who's more likely to pinch. Cada quem também write it on their own personal whiteboards. Anto después nós também elaborate de como nós pensa who's more likely to pinch. Alright?
Yes.
Santa ready?
Yes.
See? Seguro?
Yeah.
Let's go.
This is the first, what I call it, first most likely to. And the first one, who's more likely to rant during an episode? Okay. I think we all know this one. Okay.
Yeah?
Ready?
Nos trabalho tu pareu.
Certo.
Dos, tres.
Yeah.
Yeah, of course.
Si você não sei bom, a mim.
Of course.
See. Do we have to explain?
We don't. By wake
to
other
the other-
episode.
yeah.
So you will
The
understand.
evidence to why he's most likely to be going on and on about a subject. Is it always a rant? No. Pero
He will
sounds
talk.
like it.
He will give monologues.
Yeah.
Look, man, hire me, okay?
Come on,
That's what
Denzel
I'm gonna
Washington.
say. SNL. I don't know any shows. Who watches TV? Nobody. Anyway, see. Next question.
Next.
Who's more likely to make a joke in a serious situation? Three, two. Yeah, nós para gewoon kidden que mensen go. Bosa, I like making jokes. Until there's no better jokes than when it's a serious situation. But it's the most unexpected type of joke, or the moment the joke is
Pero
made.
there's not. Timbia is not a club.
Yeah, that's it. Apple me messed up, you see. But Timia, so I can lighten the mood. Me crack some in there.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah, pero ama pensei mas de very serious context que no por hasi joke.
Yeah.
I say I see
There is
Jay
that
doing more.
episode.
Pero bopa was a joke in two typical context. It costa. No, hear me
It's a
out.
call
It costa. It's not about that. If the joke is funny enough, it doesn't matter. If the joke is funny enough, anything goes. If everyone laughs, then it's fine. The problema tá ora é funny but I realize what context where the joke is being made in. Pero se it's funny enough, if funniness is a joke to surpass any type of context, and that's a fact.
Si pero de kita a Goldie a joke.
Kiko a Goldie a joke?
Tem um serious moment na taman é sério, what bem como a joke.
A Goldie any joke to make people laugh.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what do yeah, okay.
Okay.
Who's more likely to make someone cry in public?
Bosanski bi ami no?
Me.
I know arumang.
Yeah.
Oh, amaski bi ami so I guess mira bosan asi pero ami tampoco lo no hace koi.
Basta, who's more likely? That's the name of the
Pero eriti como santa pensa ami.
Paso, whack, you be on volumes 24/7. And so I would see ku abo lo hacía. A mí lo no make someone cry in public. Lo mo bi someone su verdade en su cara. Not in public. Gewoon halawa na sayo lo bisabo. Dus in faculty in public lo mo buta abo.
Okay. Pero me take it in private, boss now. So definitely, boss now. Hey, si boke get completely criticized. No, wait. I'm joking.
Say it.
No.
Say it with your whole chest.
Pero si boke get money, constructive criticism, put it straight to your face about whatever you make, even if it's music, if you paint, if you draw, if you sing, send whatever it is to
If
these
it's
two.
personal tambe, lo bohanha.
Lo bayan.
Pensei, me penso que abo para ele, ou mais direct. Quando nós estamos na guarda, para dia passa, várias noites, mas para cobrir de coisas que me abo tá muito mais li por ele in that moment than us.
Okay.
Dus ik denk dat ik verschil die com public and the private.
See.
Denk ik.
See,
Okay.
yeah.
Fair enough.
Okay.
Okay.
Next.
Who's more likely to start an OnlyFans?
Yeah?
Ready?
Ano?
3, 2. Yeah.
Rudina Kiko?
Rudina though.
Rudina.
Why?
Okay.
Because Rudina the surprise bro, okay? When you think it's not gonna happen, she's like, oh, I'm gonna do it. Maski bem tiki mais chiquito, so we take it most likely the Angel inderdaad. But Rudina would surprise you.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Zie toch?
Sim. Tá
Right.
bem.
Wil je gaan explicar die kong of nog gewoon TV?
Rudina tem algo de dizer about it?
Angel? Pessoa tem most likely, yes, you.
Okay, that's
Okay.
fair. That's fair.
Now, Amita.
We just got this
I
one, though.
yagi papi about it multiple times as a joke. But I feel like 25% of that joke is real. So that's why me.
Pero like,
But then again, I'm with the joke about it
yeah.
all the time. And
So
honestly,
is it the truth thing but joke?
no. But also, si bawa nos last post di cosa dami freaking.
See,
I don't know.
I mean,
I don't know.
yeah, hope he views, I hope he comments, I hope.
No, you.
Then,
I don't have the face for OnlyFans. I think I have the body for it, but not the face. It's fine. Nobody wants to see my. It's fine.
See, but it's not just about some people like feet and stuff. There's
Exactly. You know my. Pero what thing? They don't go. Apparently, OnlyFans not that jisekoi.
Also, bosa, but you know what? That's a good point. So I'm either inclined to gewoon do that, but just post other stuff.
Like?
Stuff that I be doing that I don't post for the public.
And
Stuff like music.
Yeah.
I would never. Pero maybe in OnlyFans when I have 15 people, but I really wanna.
But
Do you
then
make
start a
music?
Patreon. Best go by start a Patreon.
Pero me take it OnlyFans ta mas aantrekkelijk in that sense.
See, but OnlyFans now abira money cool.
A Patreon.
See, pero for sexy stuff.
No, actually, Bonti and Chris Brown be drawing on there.
Chris Brown be drawing on there.
He's actually a very good artist. Pero,
Okay.
yeah, so
Okay.
Sure.
yeah, OnlyFans are paga and they famous just go on there to just be on there. When normal, no missing you start on OnlyFans. Print 8. How about that? Because nobody's gonna pay to see Joe Schmo do
you
what.
think that? Porta na tingin na Georgia tamani. Oh, who this girl? Ato follow to subscribe and to paga. Pawake.
See, but
No,
that's different. That's different.
Okay.
That's different. No, anyway.
Okay, this is a long one. Who's more likely to DM an up-and-coming artist and offer to make their next music video despite literally never having spoken to them prior? I need water after this one.
He needs some milk.
I'm ready.
Yeah.
3, 2, 1.
I'm just gonna submit this, but psych on you. It could be all of us.
Also.
Pero mapuni Rodina talk about.
I'm up on Rudina and I'm up all of us.
Amino ahasi ekoi pa Chris. This is for you, mino ahasi ekoi. Okay, so bobing kubo. But gossip, it's not true. Let me confirm it now. It's not true. Okay.
But also, Chris, Thank you for the submission. We appreciate it. This was hilarious to me. Pero sí, me te quiere, Rudina definitely lo hacía for a music video. Angela también lo hacía for music video of set design. A mí lo hacía for music in general. And si we hire no stress, we can help you with every, you know.
I think no sila siya in general gewoon. Depende de Kiko, I feel like no sila siya in general.
Okay, wait. So if you were to do it, Kiko will choose así. Give me one or two
I
things.
help someone.
Pues tú mira que struggle city.
Lo me I help ku a creative direction. Lo me I help so I'm stay a model. Lo me I help so I'm stay someone to write stuff. So I'm stay un team, pa un project, pa un assistant. Lo me say gewoon gopi liye pa Kiko kuta doesn't really matter.
I mean, no así.
Lo me no así?
No.
So
So this is wrong. No,
Oh,
a mí no
okay.
lo hacía. Lo mío así, se lo metía muy bien. Si mi tan lo que no así bom, and I want to be part of home in general.
okay.
Okay.
There's not for me help them, but so I feel like I'm better at something. No. I wouldn't do that.
Pero mi no te quiere decir the context is su questions you do.
No.
Me quiere in a joking way is the context, but in real life, quem di nos lo, posar? I feel like yeah.
Siguro it more to maken cooking ta. Yeah, I guess quem tem a vagina of a ball espaciale. And then I'm not gonna be able.
I still don't.
Okay.
Bom, vamos trabalhar next one dele. Angel?
Okay, my turn. Who's more likely to be the first one to die in a zombie apocalypse?
Three, two, one. Interesting.
So sabi ko,
Okay, Rabbit.
basta-
So, sana wag mo ting heart in, ano? So,
honestly, wag, I don't disagree. And I will tell you why. Gewoon paso. When I see all that happen, I'll probably kill myself. I'll be like, no, Michael, okay, I'm not gonna.
I did not see that coming. I expected something funny, but that's okay.
Off money, basta kung die very stupidly or something. Pero, no, I'm like, no, Michael.
I'm not doing this.
I'm not doing this.
En toen die kwamen op en die komen bij Angelo eri.
But so, I'm sorry, I feel like Angelo died very stupidly.
That one there was a violation. Personally, I wouldn't have it.
Maar die die komen
Paso cine. Paso I feel like the bottom I'm not doing this. And then I love like home money. Okay, I guess. Hi, walkers, come at me. And then but one of them.
Sí, pero at the same time, wag, di ko naman mabisa lo mejor. A mí me solo lego Michael y kaba mi vida numa. Sounds triggering, sorry. Pero, pasó. I feel like mi nota bailaron when I see me pain. And because of that, I mean, lo Michael. The baby.
This got deep, y'all. This got
It's
deep.
not deep.
Bij un gente que man un zombie, pero sí.
Sí.
Sí, maar mas que birudina pasó. Cada vez que bijvoorbeeld nos vai record something, nos vai com trema of zo, en toen nos estamos running late. I'm going to shout to come to core, and Rudina to core. So, I'm just saying to my, she was like, bro, I'm not gonna run. They're coming after me. It is what it is. I'm gonna just take this L, and that's why I'm taking Rudina.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
See, though?
Yeah,
I
you
think
have a
so.
point.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right.
Who's more likely to help a friend bury a body?
Ready?
Yes. This is the questioning is aquí. Kasi bisa problema também é não tá nisso. I feel like me dá aqui amigo abo. Passa loyalty be strong. Dos também
Wait. And I'm not the loyalty.
No, because abo no que vos não be strong. Sí, pero I think what about more likely to question it than we would.
Okay.
I feel like the bata hope was level-headed. it would probably question niya manier, no, sakit ba?
Pero,
And I'm could do another manier, yeah, bitch.
Hey.
I guess they did. Let's
Basta
go.
wag, ameskibi ami kubo, paso mi saku, ami kubo lang ay sakoy pa otro. Si Angel Bell mi sabi, makaba si tal ko, mi dimani, okay, una mi ta. And you would do the same.
Yes, yes.
pero, si Ami is open esto, es un good more likely to get away with it to Ami over the Basandos.
Get away with it?
Ami.
Yeah.
Get away
I
with
would
it.
get away with Trust, I would get away with
Be
it.
very clean with it.
Don't worry about it. I'm not gonna snitch on myself on
Okay,
camera. What?
alright,
No,
okay,
that's why I would get away with it. You see? Because you be asking me to expose
You
myself on
plead
camera.
the fifth.
Plead the fifth. I plead the fifth. 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Also, lawyer things. Of course, it's gonna get. Have
I'm
you
not a
seen
lawyer.
Viola Davis?
Don't tell people that. Don't tell people that. Hey, look, I'm just a guy. I'm just a guy on camera on YouTube. That's it. Anyway.
Who's most likely to date two people at the same time?
Yeah.
Sure.
Okay.
Uno, dos, tres. ¿Qué vas a escribir?
I said, not me. Not me, bro. Hashtag faithful. I don't know, bro. I don't even have the bandwidth, bro. No, I don't have to. No. I mean, no juggle tanto. I can't do that. I'm good.
Exactly. That's why I didn't.
That's a bit too much for me.
Because I'm no matches. I don't think you could do it. I don't think I could personally do it.
But we have to
But
choose
you're
someone.
more
I feel
likely
like
to,
I'm
yeah.
most likely to.
Me get it in the beginning stages. Masli ako.
See.
So I'm like, someone
See.
1 date, 2
See.
dates in, yeah.
See, but I see the dating stage ainda.
Sí, pero mira que era newly no sto mane. Oh, mira está Fredo se ne pareo.
That I think it's a bit. I cannot. It's taking mucho tiempo, energy, and I barely have a walking. So
Yeah. And on that note, guys, and on that positive note, yeah, that's it. Let's talk about see. On that positive note, guys, thank you for watching. Tumtiki different content in us. Nós trying to cater to different groups and to espero que vocês actually like it. And to si vocês quer what más content like this from us, you know, like, subscribe and share porque nos vai mais. Pero também comment que tipo de content você quer nos assim. Se tá mesmo game aqui, se tá different questions, se tá other type of challenges, I don't know. Whatever it is, comment down below, DM nos via OnBrand. I don't know personally, me nos assim nos la answer, but it's fine. In ieder geval, did I lie? Exactly.
No, you're but yeah.
No está poniendo auto tune, no worry, it's fine.
Yeah.
Vou gewoon buta e min tango cosa.
Qual di nome?
Nicki Minaj.
I don't know the meaning.
Okay, I will send it to you.
Did I lie? Did I lie? Did I fucking lie?
Point is, if one of these are surprised, but if one of these does seem like the most obvious thing, let us know también.
Sí.
Engage with us on que basan que tiene, que basan que mira, que basan si de nos también from this episode.
Yeah, but see, I hope. Yeah, yeah, boy. I mean, mesmo assim, para go. Tem bem me, alguém me tá pensando, okay. Okay.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
But yeah, nos vemos in next episode.
Whatever
next
content we
video,
post, bro,
whatever we're
'cause-
doing, guys.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right?